Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is Mascot logo design. So let's start the logo design, which is Mascot logo. Mascot logo is a different things, which is face of any animal like man, uh, bears, like dog, cat, lions, any birds. Its face and then its logo. It's a logo and which is a symbol. So let's start and make a mascot logo design. So first of all, I will change here some color and then I will go to the main function, which is the logo. So select this, mm, select those and change this color. I will change its color with the green. And now this ring should be the green and its stroke, which is its stroke green. Then I will change its color, which is blue, but I will turn it into green. Okay, and now I will edit here uh, mascot logo, mascot logo. Then I will fix it here perfectly. Then I will go for the saving button. Here you can see saving button, and now I will go for the export as PNG format and click here use artboard, then export it. Okay, export it and replace it with the past. Now I will go for the new design, go for the new artboard. Here you can see I will take 10 into 10 inch because it is perfect for any type of logo design. So take 10 into 10 inch. So you can see here is my artboard and I will make here something. Now I will take a pen tool and sorry, you can see here how it look like. It look very nice. So it look very nice and I will make it here. I'll yes, and then it's a Chrome and it's the Chrome. And now I will make here another design and it should be yes, then I will go for the this design. Sorry, Sorry, I will take it chance and sorry, there is some problem. Mm, yes, yes, then I will go for the another and I will. This is the way how you can make a design of of any any mascot. So you can design here. Sorry, and this is a design, and I will make here something new. What is I will make here a eye. Make here a eye. Then I will make here a dot. Sorry, I am going to the elite tool, and it should be the black eyeball. Sorry, it's the eyeball. Here you can see I will make it as mm, white. I will make it as ash color, and this crow should be the I'll make it as this color. How it look like? And this is a mascot. What I want, and this is the mascot design. This is a perfect design of a mascot, and you can here shape create shape like I will shape here elite, and then I will make it arrange it send to the back. How it look like? I think it's look very nice, and this is the way how to design a mascot logo, and you can create here the name of any group which it's related to, and how it look like, and I will make it arrange it font. How it look like now? I think it's look pretty good, and I will show you the more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.